Hello, welcome back to the Luo English Dictionary channel. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe, turn the notification bell on so you never miss a video that we post. Today we are still learning about sentences.
Hello, welcome back and thank you for joining us. Thank you for subscribing and for the feedback. Today we learn more about sentences and I have a few sentences with me and Nikki has a few answers with her. So we'll just go through that. Now the first part will be negative sentences where you say no, and the second part will be where you say yes to the questions that I will ask. So let's move on without any delay. The first question is Be isomoga oboke. So let me explain what this means. When you want to ask a question, you start with the word be. Isomo, read. Oboke, newspaper. So do you read the newspaper? Now Nikki will say
Oyo ok asomo ga oboke.
Nikki will say Oyo. Oyo.
Oyo
Ok asom ga oboke.
ok asom ga oboke.
Oboke. Oyo. Ok asom ga oboke.
Oyo ok asom ga oboke.
So she says, no, I don't read newspapers. Number 2. Beni somo oboke manyoro.
Oyo ne ok asomo oboke manyoro.
Did you read yesterday's newspaper? Nyoro is yesterday. Did you read yesterday's newspaper? No, I did not read yesterday's newspaper. So you say, Oyo.
Oyo
Ne ok asomo
ne ok asomo
oboke manyoro.
oboke manyoro.
Oyo. Ne ok asomo oboke manyoro. Number 2. Iseluokri. Iseluokri. Have you taken bath? Have you taken bath or taken a shower?
Oyo pok aluokora.
Pok aluokora. Oyo pok aluokora.
Oyo pok aluokora.
Benyoro ni luokori. No, did you take a shower yesterday? Did you take a shower yesterday?
Oyo nyoro ne ok aluokora.
Oyo nyoro ne ok aluokora. Say like that.
Oyo nyoro ok aluokora.
Ne ok aluokora.
Ne ok aluokora.
Alright. Kiny niluokri sa adi. This is not there. Kiny niluokri sa adi. So you would say, Oyo, kiny ok naluokra.
Oyo kiny ok aluokora.
Kiny ok naluokra.
Kiny ok naluokra.
So that means tomorrow, I'm not taking a shower. Okay? Number 3. Be nitedo a lot chieng. Be nitedo a lot chieng ngeso. Be nitedo a lot chieng ngeso. This means, did you cook some vegetables on Saturday? Ngeso, Saturday. Remember days of the week? Be nitedo a lot chieng ngeso. And what did you say?
Oyo ne ok atedo a lot chieng ngeso.
Oyo. Ne ok atedo a lot chieng ngeso. Oyo. Ne ok atedo a lot chieng ngeso. Then the second one is Be nitedo a lot chieng tich ariyo. Did you cook vegetables on tich ariyo is which day?
Monday? Tuesday?
Tuesday. Did you cook vegetables on Tuesday? Tich ariyo.
Oyo ne ok atedo a lot chieng tich ariyo.
Oyo. Ne ok atedo a lot chieng tich ariyo. Next. Be nitedo a lot nyoro. Be nitedo a lot nyoro. Nyoro is which day?
Nyoro, yesterday.
Yesterday. Did you cook vegetables yesterday?
Oyo ne ok atedo a lot nyoro.
Oyo ne ok atedo a lot nyoro. And then be nitedo a lot. Be kiny nited a lot. Be kiny nited a lot. Will you cook vegetables tomorrow? Kiny is tomorrow. Be kiny nited a lot.
Oyo kiny ok natedo a lot.
No, now you remove the O. You drop the O here. You see here? Ok nated here. Now it's not tedo like here.
Yeah.
But now you say, because it's a future tense, you say kiny ok nated a lot.
I have a question.
Yes.
Because I think these sentence starters are also part of past, present, and future tense.
Yeah.
Is it part of that?
Yes. But we shall do a video on past, future, and present tense, just so that we don't confuse ourselves. Okay? Now, the last one. Be kiny ni nyiew oboke.
Oyo kiny ok nanyiew oboke.
Be kiny ni nyiew oboke. Will you buy the newspaper tomorrow? Oboke is newspaper. And she says, no, I'll not buy the newspaper tomorrow. And then the next thing, be in kod oboke mar wuok tich.
Oyo aonge kod oboke ma wuok tich.
Do you have Monday's newspaper? No, I don't have it. Be in kod oboke mar wuok tich. Oyo aonge kod oboke mar wuok tich. Good to go. Now, we want to do the sentences, but now we do the positive part. So we'll start with the same newspaper. Be kiny ni nyiew oboke. Will you buy newspapers tomorrow?
Kiny nanyiew oboke.
Kiny nanyiew oboke. Number 2. Be in kod oboke mar wuok tich.
An kod oboke ma wuok tich.
An kod oboke ma wuok tich. Be nitedo a lot nyoro.
Natedo a lot nyoro.
Be nitedo a lot nyoro. Natedo a lot nyoro. Be kiny nited a lot.
Kiny nated a lot.
Kiny nated a lot. Okay. Be nitedo a lot chieng' ngeso.
Natedo a lot chieng' ngeso.
So you can see that you're just repeating what they say. What I asked, she's just repeating the same thing, but putting in the yes. You just say yes, and then she says the same thing. Natedo a lot chieng' ngeso. Be nitedo a lot chieng' tich ariyo.
Natedo a lot chieng' tich ariyo.
Natedo a lot chieng' tich ariyo. Iseluokri?
Aseluokra.
Iseluokri? Aseluokra. Be nyoro niluokri?
Nyoro aluokora.
No.
Nyoro naluokora.
Nyoro naluokora. And in fact it should be even nyoro ne aluokora. But I think we just shorten it to naluokora. But it should be nyoro ne aluokora. Kiny niluokri sa adi?
Kiny naluokra sa adek otieno.
Kiny naluokra sa adek otieno. 9 o'clock at night. That's what she's saying. Be isomo ga oboke?
Asomo ga oboke.
Do you read the newspaper? Yes, I do. Be nisomo oboke manyoro?
Nasomo oboke manyoro.
Good. So that is how you, this is a short video of just talking about positive and negative sentences, how to